Brittany. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a full cap human hair wig for you guys, but I'm going to be wearing it pretty much like a half wig. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. So in this video, I'll be wearing mine as a half wig because you guys know I love half wigs, but this is actually a bang wig. You can wear this as a full wig, so the girls that don't want to have to deal with lace, or if you don't have hair to leave out, you can wear it as a full bang wig. And I'll insert some images of what that looks like. We even have Coily Shine with hers, and hers looks really pretty. And we have some other models as well. So you don't have to do anything with lace, and you don't need any glue. You can just plop it on and go, or you can have more of a customized look with a braid out, a twist out, or a wash and go. It also comes with an elastic band and a drawstring for more security, so you don't have to use any glue and it'll stay in place for you. And it also has an area of lace at the top, so it's going to give the bang look a more natural look overall. Hey guys, so you guys saw the unboxing, what this wig looked like right out the pack. You saw that I did a braid out with this wig, so I'm going to just quickly read the specs on this wig. This is the HerGivenHair Shake and Go full wig. This texture is their Coily texture. This is 3C to 4A. I have a natural color and it has a one size fits all cap, and I have 18 inches. So this also has like a drawstring in the back, but you guys saw the unboxing and the cap construction of this wig. Now, it does come with lace at the top, a faux scalp area up there if you want to wear it as a full wig. Now, I knew that this was going to be a wig that was like versatile, where you could wear it as a full wig. I like to have a little bit of leave out because I think that looks more realistic. So this is about as far as I'm going to go with a bang. So I did a braid out, and here's part of the bang over here, and part of the bang is out over here. Now, I have seen other creators wear this wig as a full cap wig with the bang and everything, and it actually looks really good. I prefer to do a half wig with my full cap wigs. Yeah, and I decided to do a braid out this time just because I typically do wash and goes and, you know, finger coils and stuff with my wigs, and I just wanted to try something else. And it does give you a similar look either way. Yeah, so this is what it looks like with a braid out, and I just have some of my hair out in the front. The blend was very easy because usually I go individually with my natural hair and do finger coils to blend it with my kinky curly wigs, but I didn't do that. I just brought out my hair. My hair is pretty straight for some reason. It feels like kind of straight, and I just put gel on it and just blended it into the hair, and it was very easy, very convenient to do that. So that's how this looks. I think this is obviously, I love half wigs and wigs like this because they blend very well with my natural hair texture. A lot of wigs from HerGivenHair do so. If you want to wear it as a bang wig, you can, but for the girls who just want like more of a half wig look, you can slide it back and bring out some of your own hair. So I'm going to take this off for a second because I will probably try to do a half up, half down situation. My hair straightened out or blown out. Oh, I washed it and blew it out like maybe last week. That's probably why my hair's so straight. Easy. So it has combs up here. So I might use them just for this install, but I don't recommend using combs in the front because it can thin your edges out. But if you're just doing it for like one day or a couple times a week, I think it's okay to do so. So alright guys, so I did my half up half down style. You guys know I'm always going to do one. And it looks really cute. I love how it has so much volume to it. I like hair with volume, especially if it's curly. I want it to be very voluminous. If I have straight hair, I want it to be flat though. I want my straight hair to be flat, but curly hair, the bigger the better, I think. And this texture just blends very well with my hair texture. As far as shedding goes, I stopped mine right out the pack and I started to brush it out while it was dry and everything. You can definitely wash yours before you install it. I usually do that with my curly wigs because you can manipulate the style a lot more. But I just use water on mine. Well, after I brushed out the hair and flipped it all out, I used water on it and then I did my braid down with mousse, and that was pretty much it, just with mousse. So I did get some shedding with this wig, and you have to know that with kinky curly hair or curly hair in general, you're going to get some level of shedding. But overall, I think this is very beautiful, and they know how to capture this texture of hair. So if you're interested in this hair, you can head over to their website. I'll have all the links and the specs and everything in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that they have right now. I'll have those down below. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.